Hi guys, we have here the Jordan Wings jacket. I want to give you guys a quick look at the product here. As you can see, from the Jordan brand, great quality coach's jacket. Retails originally from Nike store for $120. This is a Jordan extra large size. Let's go ahead and open up this so you can see premium crafted performance, storm fit. Helps resist water to keep you drier. So you can see the pockets on the inside here. We have the Jordan logo on the front there. Kind of have these buttons. It's about what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 buttons, as you can see here. Great quality. Pockets on both sides in the front. That's the jacket. That's what it looks like on the inside linen. And then flip that over. Nothing much on the back, but nonetheless, great quality jacket from the Jordan brand. So if you're looking to purchase any of the Jordan products, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.